Getting here. Hello, Peanuts. So today is 13th of February and we are still on the Valentine weekend. So my surprises are not done yet. So D wakes me up around 3 something a.m. to tell me if I would like to go somewhere. I was like, yes.
My favorite producer on Dixon Beats.
And he was like, then get ready, 5 a.m. we need to be on our way. So we wake up and we are now on our way to another surprise. Wow, I love this Valentine. I hope all my Valentine from now is going to be like this. It's going to be fun. So I don't know where we are going now, but I don't know. Let's wait. So guys, we are still on our way after 2 hours. We are still driving. I don't know. We passed Accra. We passed Tema. Now we are almost passing Ada. I don't know. And now we are in some village. I don't know if D is taking me to his village or he's taking me to, I see Sogako Resort. I see Aqua Safari Resort. I don't know. He better take me to one of these resorts. It better not be his village because I'm pissed right now. Where is this? We passed all the beautiful places in Accra and Tema. And now look at where he's bringing me. And he's not talking. I'm so pissed. Thank you. So guys, like I said, it better be this place. I don't know though, but it better be. It better be what I'm thinking, okay? But this road don't look like Aqua Safari Road. But I don't know if you know. Also, grab compare with the weather you put. But if you know and you think or guess we are going there, please let me know because I'm frustrated right now. We will pass some nice place. And 1 minute we are in the village. So my guesses are not right. Whether we are going to this village. And I know he's not from this part of Ghana. So I don't know. So guys, finally I think I know where we are going. Now he can't surprise me anymore, even though I am so surprised. But hey, now I think I get it. So look, if you turn right, that means we are going here, honey. Yeah, I think my birthday is going to be late, guys. When I first saw this dusty road, I was so mad and pissed. Because I was like, but if we are not going to Aqua Safari, then I'm not going to be surprised again. Seriously, but I think we are going there. Guys, I'm so happy and mixed feelings because we are not there yet. So I'm not sure whether it's true we're going there or not. So let's wait and see, okay? Guys, I want to cry. Look at that, honey. Thank you so much. Oh, this is beautiful. After all, the 2 hours and 45 minutes is going to be lit. Oh, This is so nice of you, babe. Thank you. Look at that. Look at where we are going. Huh? God, I look a mess for this place. So guys, when you get here, they first check your temperature and they check your card. Okay. So guys, when you get here, you first have to stop at the entrance and check your temperature. And after your temperature is checked and they make sure that you are okay, they search your car. And after a car search, you go park and leave your luggages in your car and go to the reception, check in, and someone will come assist you with your luggages. So I think it's a good place for you to come and have some rest after a long day of stress. So that is the main entrance to the hotel, to inside the hotel. So we are going to go there, and you know what, we will check in, and this is the surrounding. Very beautiful. Okay, so why don't we finish checking in and I'll let you guys in on what we do here. All right. So guys, now we are in and we have to do our check-in. We have to make sure everything is set. So first, you have to show them your receipt on the phone or the Momo, all bank details that you paid. And after you do that, they'll tell you the check-in time. And after you know your check-in time, someone will go help you go get your stuff from your car. And now they can show you to your room. So this is the place, very nice and beautiful. I think I'm going to have time to relax and to have fun, all right, and take beautiful pictures around. So you guys, while he is working on that, I think I'll be outside waiting for him, all right, and I'll show you guys outside. So this is the place. Look at that. Yeah, very nice place. I know I look a mess. So my husband did not tell me he's bringing me here, so I did not really get ready for this. So yeah, this is the place, very nice and beautiful. Yeah, I'm kind of tired from yesterday, because yesterday we went to the Legon Botanical Gardens and the fun was so tiring and nice. And guys, I can see the beach down there. So yeah, like I told you, very beautiful place. And yeah. So guys, we've already checked in. They show us into our room, so now he's going to help us get our luggages and I can go relax. I'm so tired, and I know he is also tired. The drive was very long. Yeah, so, and hey, no, we are going to have some breakfast. All right. Okay. So guys, we just got here like in about 20 minutes ago, and it's still morning and it's still breakfast time, so we are going to have some breakfast to eat because I'm tired. Like I told you, I wake up early in the morning around 4. So we are going to eat, and after eating, you guys will see what we got for you. So yeah, that's it.
Favorite producer? Dixon Beats.
Hi guys, like I told you, we are here eating breakfast, and you can have everything that you want for breakfast because it's a buffet, and we are here at the waterside, and it's so nice out here. But I'm hungry, guys, and I need to really eat and go. So yeah, it's okay, honey. Let's eat. We're having breakfast, and I'm having Havza Kokon, some baked beans, posem, chocolate cake and some watermelon. And I got some juice in. I can't go without my juice. And this is natural squeezed orange. And it's good. And these are almost the same as mine. He has some donuts and pineapple and also has a cocoa as well. So yeah, I'm enjoying. Even though I'm tired, that I'm going to make today fun and lit for you guys. Allow me to eat, okay? So guys, as you can see, I'm done eating. I don't want to be full because I'm going to dress and take some pictures, okay? I'm continue the video, so I don't want to be full. So we are going to go. They did not even eat his food at all. I even did their cooking and so that. Yeah, it's a nice place, and I am so happy he brought me over here. And I wish I would never leave here. I don't know when you will leave though. I don't have to ask questions because this is a surprise. I just found my life like this. Yeah, so peace out. So guys, we went to have some breakfast and look at what they did. They brought our luggages inside and that is so cool of them, you know. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna take some shower and have some rest, and after that we can go have lunch. All right, so this is our room. So this is the bathroom. Yeah, they have their logo everywhere.
Unboxing beats.
And yeah, I don't want you to show my stomach. Go look at mine. Yeah, so that is the bathroom. All right. So guys, right now, you know, I'm not getting into the mood. I'm going to be doing my makeup. And we'll go take some pictures and video before lunchtime. So yeah, that is what we are going to do today. Pictures on fleek, video on point. And you guys like, comment, and share. Love you. Peace out.
My favorite producer. Unboxing beats.